Water is the Earth's most valuable resource. Managing this precious resource has become profoundly important for us all. After many years of successful contracting and partnership building, and in a first for the water industry, an alliance in operations and maintenance was forged in April 2005. It's an alliance that's having a major impact on the delivery of water, sewerage and stormwater services in Australia and New Zealand. It's US, Utility Services. US, Utility Services, was formed by South East Water, a Melbourne water retailer owned by the state of Victoria, and its business partners, Thiess Services and Siemens. Primarily, the Alliance provides innovative construction, operation, maintenance and service solutions, in-house as it were, to its major alliance partner, South East Water. In addition, this proven capability is offered to the wider market. The US Utility Services service portfolio and value provision to the water industry, to other utilities, to councils and to commercial customers have expanded rapidly within Australia and overseas. In 2007, it secured a major long-term contract to provide network services for Metro Water in Auckland. The Alliance has proven to be a highly competitive service provider well beyond the original boundaries of South East Water. As a water retailer, South East Water services over 600,000 residential, industrial and commercial properties in an area covering more than 3,600 square kilometres. With infrastructure and assets worth $1.4 billion Australian, it's responsible for around 16,000 kilometres of water and sewer mains, 300 water and sewage pump stations, and 9 sewage treatment plants serving 1.3 million people in Melbourne's southeast suburbs, throughout the Mornington Peninsula and further out towards Gippsland. South East Water has earned success and recognition as a leader in Australia's water industry, winning the Australian Quality Council Business Excellence Award as early as 1998 and advancing its reputation ever since.
South East Water indeed is considered one of the better operating companies, if not the best operating company in Australia. We thought that could be taken elsewhere, and by joining with the likes of Thiess and Siemens, who in their own right are excellent operating companies, by blending the skills and the systems of those organisations, we come up with something really quite special. We come up with a part public-owned water company that understands the water industry very well. It understands about regulatory issues, performance, customer issues, as well as having the expertise from our partners who understand the more commercial methods of delivering the services and the capital investment that might be required to enhance the delivery, whether it be capital or operational.
Siemens and Thiess Services had already been providing services to South East Water for many years in a close relationship based on a schedule of rates contract. Thiess Services doing the civil, construction and maintenance, and Siemens providing the mechanical and electrical servicing of installed infrastructure.
Well, the alliance came about because the organisations involved, ourselves, Siemens and South East Water, have been working together for many, many years, and having had some success, we realised we could do better and we could do things differently, and to do that we had to work together as a team.
Although all 3 members of the alliance were veterans of the water industry, the government-owned nature of South East Water made it different from Thiess Services and Siemens.
We had our own internal business objectives, South East Water had their own, and Thiess had their own. And so the style and of contracting really didn't enable us to achieve the summit of the type of service that we could really deliver. And the only way you could really achieve that is if all 3 parties had a common vision and a common goal and objective year on year to deliver an enhanced service. And this can really only be delivered in a pure alliance style of relationship.
Thiess Services provide a comprehensive array of integrated engineered solutions and maintenance services to industries, ranging from construction and civil engineering to mining and telecommunications. And they have customers in environmental waste management and facility operations, plus utility customers. The company's annual sales in Australasia are close to $900 million. Siemens is a corporation that provides a wide range of innovative technical solutions, products and services for industries as diverse as water and transportation, energy and health, communications and building technology, and automation and control. A major worldwide organisation with 440,000 employees, Siemens' annual Australasian sales alone exceed $1.4 billion.
One of the benefits of having the likes of Thiess and Siemens in the alliance is some of the commercial behaviours that they bring. We, perhaps due to our background, haven't really had as many commercial behaviours as we should have. So these are skills that we're now learning, and people are implementing them all across the business.
I think all three parties in the alliance have underpinning values and strengths which make good business. Health and safety management, quality systems, etc., etc. But we all have individual strengths. And in our case, I think, particularly with ourselves and Siemens, coming from a commercial background, we have strengths in other areas that perhaps weren't there within South East Water as strongly. In an area, for example, with Thiess, I think risk management is an area that we're very, very strong on, and I think that's a strength we've brought to the alliance and helps us in winning work successfully in our external business division.
What's made the alliance a success? It has really come about because of all the stakeholders believe that the alliance approach is really the approach to take this business forward, and we all feel that the industry is really crying out for the capabilities of an entity like us Utility Services to deliver better outcomes.
To a large extent, the successes of the alliance have been due to the skills level, enthusiasm and energy of its personnel, from engineers to field crews and support staff. us Utility Services has introduced new services such as pipe rehabilitation, water consumption smart monitoring, and road building and restoration services. Such is the reputation of us Utility Services in carrying out roadworks that South East Water is the only utility that councils within its area permit to do its own restoration and resurfacing after road openings. In fact, many local councils are turning to us Utility Services for general road construction that involves drainage work and even rain gardens. The us Utility Services logo is an increasingly common sight on the roads. During the last Commonwealth Games in Melbourne, us Utility Services Traffic Management provided safe conditions for athletes and the public, with road management for the marathon and temporary traffic signage around various sports venues in Victoria. As the skills and capacity of us Utility Services have increased, the services offered by the Alliance have become more and more attractive to potential clients. Whether it's utilities, government authorities and councils, or private companies, the Alliance provides an outstanding offering, not only in their type of service, but also in their capacity to respond rapidly and effectively and to achieve the best business outcomes for their clients. us Utility Services and its people are committed to being an integral and vital part of Melbourne's and Australia's water future.